Hello buddy, I'm Dutch, and if you like hiking tips, fun adventures, and great gear, hit like and subscribe to join my vlog journey. And if you'd like to be notified when we upload a new video, click that bell as well. All right, let's go.
Hello buddy, I'm Dutch, and we are at Ricketts Glen, which is a place that I've never hiked before and is known for its waterfalls. So I'm right now at the trailhead, and supposedly there's some difficult hiking here, so I thought it'd be really good to stretch the legs a little bit. If there's waterfalls, it tends to be uphill, so take a look at the map. Well, maybe I'll get some good pictures of some waterfalls. Peace. So Ricketts Glen is absolutely gorgeous, and the trail, it is like a serene scene. Look at the rocks they put down for this trail. So it's a little bit crowded, it's a little bit accessible. We've gotten a little bit further down and got away from so many families, but look at this waterfall. This is amazing. Waterfalls to me are amazing, but supposedly there's a whole bunch going down through here, so peace out. Wow, this is the very top, and I guess we go down there next. I can't wait. So the way down there are these crazy, huge boulder steps. So much of the trail in here has been constructed, and something does make it convenient for someone to put these in here. They have to maintain them, because you know these don't stay here. But I knew it had to come down steep. We're only a quarter of the way down. And then finally, when you get down to the bottom, you get rewarded with that's a pretty darn good falls. Peace out. Man, it is like endless waterfalls just flowing down through here. Water, and the way it keeps rolling down off the mountain, it always amazes me how water can come out of a spring near the top of the mountain. So anyhow, I gotta say, I'm really enjoying the waterfalls here. And now that we're a little bit further from the trailhead, you don't see any people, and you got this gorgeous trail to hike on. And I really like it here. Peace. This is so cool, because if you look, the tree fell down into the waterfall. Looks like it messed up a really good swimming hole. But nature doesn't always cooperate, does it? This does not suck. So here's a really cool place under the falls. This is a really cool park. I am so glad I came here. I'm going to take you up. There's like a series of waterfalls here. It's really neat. All right, I gotta climb up to the top. Peace. This trail is kicking my butt. Let's go up the rest of the way. Man, I am so glad I've done this. This has been this has been a favorite. The trail is amazing, and you can go down, you can loop around, so you see a different set of waterfalls on your way back up, and the trail is amazingly maintained. There were maintainers out there as I was out there, so it was just hard enough. All right, peace out. So this is back at the parking lot, and it's gonna be a quick ride. We're going back to an Airbnb. But everybody, I just want to remind you to stay out there and keep on adventuring. Peace.
Well, thanks for joining me on that adventure, and be sure to check out some other playlists. And of course, check out dutchwaregear.com for some of the greatest hiking gear on the planet. As always, thank you everybody.